In this robotic process automation, we have different tools. First tool will be called as Blue Prism, okay, and second we have Automation Anywhere, and third we have UI Path. Next we have OpenSpan, so on. So there are different tools for there. So any one tool can be learned by a person who wants to enter into the field of an RPA, because you cannot be an expert in 2-3 fields, right? Practically, which is not possible. You cannot be an expert in 2-3 fields. You can be an expert in only any one, any of the tool. Probably you are learning UI Path, or someone can learn Blue Prism or all that, but it purely depends upon their interest and all that. So these are the generally tools which are available in RPA. And what RPA tasks do, what RPA do, what is the activity an RPA will do? So RPA can configure the applications. By using RPA, what you can do, you can configure the application. You can enter the data, whatever the data you'd like to enter, you can enter it. Next, you can do validation of the client files. Whatever the clients have been given, the files and all that, that can be validated by you. Understand? And you can create test data. You can do data loading and all that, and you can generate reports. Okay, if you can configure everything before, prior to that, automatically all these processes will take care of. What are all will takes care of? One is about application configuration. You can configure the applications, you can enter data, you can validate the client files, you can create test data, you can create data loads and all that. Whereas report generations, it could be different reports which is required for your business process and all that. Those reports can also be generated using robotic process automation. You're clear? Right. So what solutions finally a robotic process automation will gives you? Now we have discussed about the tasks. Whatever the tasks that robotic process automation is all about, that will be written here. So now we need to discuss about what are the solutions in RPA provides. What are solutions? Generally, the solutions will be divided into two parts. One is called as CAP, second is called as UTMS. Understood? First we call it as CAP, second we call it as UTMS. CAP stands for Cognitive Automation Platform, and second we call it as UTMS, which is stands for Unified Test Management Solutions. Second we called as UTMS. UTMS stands for Unified Test Management Solutions. Okay, so these are the two type of solutions wherein RPA will provide. What is meant by CAP? What is meant by Cognitive Automation Platform? Just write down. What is meant by Cognitive Automation Platform? I'll tell you. Just write down. Powered by CAP, means CAP powered by machine learning and predictive capabilities.
Sorry for that.
So,
Hello?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
See, CAP stands for it is powered by, means Cognitive Automation Platform. Powered by machine learning and predictive capabilities. Machine learning and predictive capabilities.
Machine learning
and predictive capabilities. Which can generate
and predictive.
Which can generate meaningful data from any format. From any format. That's it. Just full stop. Means you're writing notes now. So what are all to what extent, I'll tell you only that. Okay. So meaningful data from any format. See, means this cognitive automation platform delivers you whatever the unstructured data you have. This unstructured data can be converted into a meaningful data. Unstructured data from in different sources. Let us, like, we have some cryptography files and all that, wherein unstructured data is being related into some HTML files or XML files and all that. So all these can be generated as a meaningful data using this CAP, stands for Cognitive Automation
Yes, yes.
Cognitive automation
Platform.
platform. CAP stands for cognitive
Platform.
automation platform, wherein
Cognitive
this
automation
unstructured,
platform.
wherein the unstructured data can be formatted as a meaningful data.
Data.
Understand? And second
Yeah.
solution will be UTMS.
Okay.
UTMS. UTMS stands for enabled by, which enabled by
Okay. Which enabled by
bots. Bots doesn't mean
bots.
robots. We are talking about. Okay, bots. We doesn't have
Okay.
any. You need not confuse about bots. Bots doesn't mean we use word called as a robot. Bot. Robot. Okay.
Okay.
Enabled by bots
Okay.
can enhance
Okay.
productivity.
Okay.
Can enhance productivity and
Okay.
efficiency.
Mm, okay.
Can enhance productivity
Can
and
can enhance
efficiency
productivity and efficiency
by taking over
by taking over
labor intensive repetitive tasks.
labor intensive repetitive tasks.
See, this is what UTMS stands for, wherein this UTMS you can enable bots, means you can enable your robots which can enhance the productivity and efficiency, right? Wherein whatever the
Okay.
productivity and efficiency are expecting in your projects, right? This can be enhanced by using UTMS, wherein you can take over the intensive repetitive tasks, whatever the intensive repetitive tasks and all that can be worked efficiency. For that, generally we have configuration के लिए generally we have 1500 rules. We have near about 1500
Okay.
rules will be there, which can be
1500
configured
groups.
automatically with by using boards and all. Okay, that configuration 1500 configuration rules will be there, but generally whatever all the configurations and all everything will be taken, because as there are so many rules which are there in this configuration and all, which takes around 4 to 6 weeks to configure all that. Okay, any configuration analyst generally takes around
Okay.
4 to 6 weeks to configure all that for in each client and all that, because
Okay.
as it's a configuration have been depending on different rules and all, we have around 1500 rules which can be configured, which takes, because it's a, as it is a
Okay.
huge this thing we need to do, which usually takes around 4 to 6 weeks to do all that. Understand? So we have two different
Okay. It's
solutions. One we call it
like
as,
yeah, if a project is given like that, it takes around like 4 to 6 weeks to
it's not a project,
um
I'm talking about solution. Projects we have different
so
products. I'll explain you later. Okay. These
okay.
are the solutions which RPA can provide. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
These are the solutions which RPA can provide. Okay.
Okay.
RPA providing these sort of solutions, products and all will comes in the next stage. Okay. What type of products will be there in UI path and all everything will be explained here.
Okay.
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 So these
Okay.
are the solutions which generally an RPA will provide.